What's up, stoners? Welcome to local band Smokeout. I'm your host, Tyler the Most DG. And today I have Ghastly Sound and their song Holy Serpent. And this completes the cycle for them, meaning they were on Rock Rage Radio, Dirty Radio, and of course now the visual. Facebook.com/Ghastly Sound. If you like what you're about to hear, I'm telling you the song is awesome. First, let's do the sponsors. Royal Blunts, Irie Roots, Extract, Boost, aka Integra Products, Dirty Radio, Rock Rage Radio, Dave Fitz, it is our free tattoo giveaways. Dennis with Rove Brand, go to @RoveBrand on Instagram for some really bomb cartridges. California Care Group, if you get your medical marijuana deliveries from in Southern California from California Care Group, mention local band Smokeout for free gram or free edible in your order. And Vape Out, if you're in High Desert Apple Valley and you happen to go to Vape Out for your vaping needs, mention LBS15 and they'll take 15% off your entire order, which is fucking awesome. Alright, get ready to spark it up. If you got it, let's check out Ghastly Sound. They're from Vermont and their song Holy Serpent. That fucking song grows me every time I hear it. Facebook.com/Ghastly Sound, because that was Ghastly Sound with Holy Serpent. They're from Vermont. Totally 9 out of 10. It's awesome. It reminds me of Ena Shikari, Let Live, and then during that little breaky section, it kind of has like a little bit of a ghost feel for a bit, which is awesome. All around, just great job. I like the whole song. I like the screaming and singing and whatever effect is going on the singing clean voice is cool too. It all works. I don't know. Just 9 out of 10. Awesome job. Facebook.com/Ghastly Sound, and check them out. Give them a like. Support them, especially in Vermont. If you're somewhere in Vermont, hopefully you get to see them live. If this is your first time seeing the show and you're in a band or happen to make a 420 product or are interested in sponsoring us, message us at Facebook.com/local band Smokeout. I'm also on Instagram, Masterroots, and YouTube. We do free promotion for bands, but if you go on the Facebook page and watch the video that plays at the top, it'll tell you how to skip the waiting list, because there's a little bit of waiting list to get on the show. Other than that, cheers and keep blazing.